Creating backlinks for your website is a relatively straightforward task. Today, I'll guide you on how to generate backlinks effectively. Let's begin by understanding what a backlink actually is. A backlink is a hyperlink that directs to your website from another site. Essentially, it's a way for other websites to endorse yours. So if you have a website and wish to accumulate numerous backlinks, you'll need to attract others who want to link their websites to yours, typically within their blog posts. To achieve this, focus on publishing high-quality content that makes your website noteworthy. Strive to elevate the prominence of your website, ensuring it stands out in its niche. By doing so, you'll naturally attract more visitors, thereby increasing the likelihood of obtaining valuable backlinks. This strategy is essential for enhancing your website's visibility and credibility within your industry. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to building a robust network of backlinks for your website.